Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In case if you are new here, my name is Manisha Sharma and I make content on makeup, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you are a fan of budget shopping, this video is a must watch. In part 1, I have mostly covered about Zudio's women's wear and footwear. In today's video, I'll be covering Zudio's men's and kids section as well along with some makeup. Stay tuned till the end because I'll reveal the sale dates and all the details that you need to know before heading to the store. So let's get started. मेरी expectations बहुत high थी पर हम बहुत disappoint हो गए थे इस साल की सेल देखकर, क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर जैसे 29 से सेल स्टार्ट हुई थी. हाउएवर इस साल ना कि सेल आइटम्स कम थे बल्कि जो सेल अमाउंट था वो भी 49 से स्टार्ट हो रहा था, जिसमें कि क्वांटिटी बहुत कम थी, विच आई डिड नॉट लाइक. इफ़ यू आर हेडिंग टू दिस स्टोर, आपको बहुत सारे वैरायटी ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स मिल जाएंगे जैसे स्वेटर्स, जैकेट्स, अंडरगारमेंट, एक्सेसरीज, किड्स क्लोथिंग, मेंस, वुमेन्स, सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. कुर्ती, ड्रेसेस, जीन्स, एवरीथिंग. I have tried to capture every section so that you can get a better idea of what's available and what you can find in these stores whenever you go. For example, winter clothes थे, summer wear थे, accessories थी, makeup भी था. accessories में majorly आपको hair accessories मिल जाएंगी, hand creams, body lotions, body mist, ये सब मिल जाएगा. makeup items में भी lipsticks, lip glosses, नेल पेंट्स भी थे, बट कुछ ही आइटम्स थे लाइक सेलेक्टिव पीसेस. नॉट ऑल दी आइटम्स वेयर ऑन सेल. To be honest, it feels Zudio could have done better with this sale compared to the amazing deals that we saw in 2024. I have also swatched few items and shared it with you for your convenience. By the way, I was happily surprised that there were kids section where you can find better clothes. मतलब to be honest, women and men section से better तो मुझे kids clothing लगी थी, because बहुत प्यारे प्यारे बहुत अच्छे deals थे. 99 से start हो रहे थे, as you can see, from 0 years to 3 years, 4 years, even 6-7 years के बच्चों के लिए भी था, which was really amazing. I did ended up buying few items from the sale section and I really liked them. So I'll be sharing a haul soon with the try on. So make sure that आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर रखा हो और नोटिफिकेशन बेल ऑन कर लेना so that you don't miss out on that video. You'll also find men's and women's wear. Let me share the items that you will find in the store for your convenience. Starting from kids section, kids clothing, jeans, dresses, tops, t-shirts for both girls and boys. In women's section, you will find tops, kurtis, dresses, jeans, cargo, trousers, footwear, heels and flats, both along with makeup, hair accessories, perfumes and body mist. Fancy heels, party wear heels, boots was there. Men's section में shirts, t-shirts, jackets, hoodies, shoes, loafers, ये सब थे. Even deodorants and perfumes थे, which started at ₹99. So you can definitely check that out as well. So what's my verdict? While there are deals to be found in the Zudio clearance sale of 2025, I still find that previous year it was much better. तो अगर आप कुछ स्पेसिफिक ढूंढ रहे हो तो एक विजिट तो बनता है, बट आई वुड से ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट मत करना कि बहुत सारी वैरायटीज़ मिलेगी एट अ वेरी हायर डिस्काउंटेड. मेरी एडवाइस यही रहेगी कि जितनी जल्दी हो सके उतनी जल्दी जाओ ताकि आपको बेस्ट डील्स मिल सके एंड बेस्ट products भी मिल सके. Now it's time for the big reveal. The Zudio clearance sale of 2025 has started on 31st of December and will be there until 30th January at all Zudio outlets across India. तो अगर आप ऑलरेडी विजिट कर चुके हो तो मुझे अपना एक्सपीरियंस ज़रूर बताना कमेंट्स में एंड बताना कि लास्ट ईयर अगर विजिट करे थे एंड इस ईयर विजिट करे हो तो क्या डिफरेंस लगा है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगे, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल फॉर ऑनेस्ट शॉपिंग रिव्यूज, मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स, फैशन टिप्स एंड लाइफस्टाइल update. You can also follow me on my Instagram and Facebook page @plastic. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on any update or any video from my page. Until next time, thank you so much for watching and happy shopping. Take care. See you in my next video. Bye bye.